Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your time. So we'll change that time up here. So first, to make sure your vehicle's on and this is all loaded, which this is. And then we'll do settings, and then up here we can scroll around if needed. But we'll go to this clock, and then in here you can turn off or on if you want that to display in your main screen. You can switch to the 24-hour display if you'd like, and then here you can adjust your hours up or down and your minutes back and forth as you need. So yeah, just keep clicking until you get to the right time, one way or the other, and then click over once. You can adjust your calendar as well, so change it to whatever year, month and day you need, and you'll just hit set when you're done with that. Same with your time here. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.